Doodle sketch videos, 2D animation videos, 3D animation videos, explainer videos, full motion videos, custom videos. Any kind of video you want. There's no question that video is the #1 way to captivate, engage, and explain the exact product or service. And that video can help you get more leads and sales. But does it have to be that you need a special video tool that takes weeks to learn in order to create a video? Or even worse, hire an outsourcer and pay thousands of dollars for your next video? Hi, my name is Andrew, and over the past 26 years, I've been developing software focused on helping people and businesses automate processes and make more money. And over the last 26 years, we've seen a high demand and heavy focus on video. Videos are used for everything, from sharing your message on social media to showcase a product or service, or create powerful sales videos that help you make more sales. The goal is simple: to help you engage with your visitors, explain, and to get them taking action. It could be entering their email addresses or pulling out their credit card. This is done by videos just like the one you're watching right now. That's why today, I'm excited to introduce to you Explaindio. Explaindio is an all-in-one video creator that focuses on helping you create attention-grabbing, professional-looking 2D, 3D, explainer, and training videos in just minutes. Without requiring weeks of training or technical experience. Without requiring special set of software. Without requiring to spend hours upon hours and hundreds to thousands of dollars getting a video created. Explaindio is focused on creating amazing video content to help you get more leads and make more sales. Explaindio is a desktop software that helps you create professional quality videos in a matter of minutes, right from your desktop computer. Regardless if it's PC or Mac, you'll download it right to your computer and start creating the creative video of your dreams. And this video you're watching right now was made with Explaindio. Today, I want to invite you to join and discover Explaindio with a demo of how powerful, yet easy we've made it for anyone to create attention-grabbing, eye-catching videos for all your video needs. What you're about to see is 4 short micro demos. In this demo, I'll show you how easy it is to create your next 2D and 3D video, a doodle animation video, a full motion video, and an explainer video. So let's go ahead and jump right in. Here we are inside the Explaindio platform. You'll notice it's a desktop software, available for both Windows and Mac operating system. The first thing you'll notice is how easy and laid out Explaindio is. Okay, let's start with the first mini demo. We'll start by simply creating a slide. Next, we'll create the first animation using either an Explaindio slide or any SWF slide animation. For this demo, we'll use a 2D animation that you will have available to you. Let's pick this one and add a single slide. From there, you can preview and add slide. Next, we'll add a second slide. We'll pick this one and add single slide, and complete it with add. You'll notice the timeline above will automatically start to add these slides, and you can simply drag the slides as you want. Last, for this demo, we'll add a 3D object. After we add the 3D object, you'll see you can edit the timeline and check the preview in real time. Now you can see the video we created together right here. To customize the 3D object is easy. We can go to the 3D object setting and load any JPEG image to overlay on your 3D object. And as you can see, it will instantly add to your creation. Now, let's take a look at what we created. Awesome, right? And you saw just how easy it was to create. Okay, let's jump into the next mini demo. Doodle animation videos are just as easy. We'll start by adding a slide. From here, we'll select Sketch Image, and you'll load our sketch image gallery. For this demo, we'll select this woman who is thinking. Once loaded, you'll be able to drag the doodle image around and edit the image as you want for size and animation. Okay, let's add quick text by clicking the Add Text button. We can drag it around and easily add text right in the Easy to Edit text box on the right side. You can edit everything, from font family to text size. And on the timeline, you can easily edit the way the sketch is drawn with our options. For this demo, we'll use Sketch by hand. The timeline makes it easy to set the exact time you want each animation of this video to be displayed. Let's add another doodle sketch. Adjust the sketch style to fade in, and adjust the timeline. Last, we'll add one more doodle sketch into this frame. Now one more text to make it nice and easy. Adjust the timeline and Alright, let's take a look at what we just created together. And voila! You can see the video we just made together in this demo. There's no doubt that doodle animation videos are the #1 choice of digital marketers. And with Explaindio, you'll be able to create realistic doodle images in just minutes, just like I showed you in this demo. Now, let's jump into the next demo. Alright, so in this mini demo, we'll create a full motion video. We'll start by adding a slide, then adding an animation slide on the bottom. In the library, we'll add the first animation option, then we'll add another one. Then simply adjust the timeline, one more animation, and let me edit the timeline so they show up one after another. Now, as we close this canvas, you'll automatically see the preview start to appear. Let's go ahead and start by customizing each animation. You'll notice that each slide has options, such as the ability to add text, image, video, animation, or outline. For this demo, we'll add an image to the placeholder as seen, and I'll pick an image from my computer. Clicking the play button shows a small demo of what we've built so far. Let's go ahead and edit the text area to customize it fully. You'll see you have the ability to edit 2 lines and adjust everything, from word wraps to font size and so forth. Now, let's edit the logo in this slide. We simply go to Image, select Image Area 2, and pick an image. And we can adjust that image by going to Outline and turning on and off different areas of the image. Let's go to Animation slide number 2, and we'll do the same thing. Add our own images to each image area from the computer as you're seeing right now. Then we'll jump to slide 3 and do the same. Adding images from our desktop is easy, and you can customize it in just seconds as you're seeing in front of your eyes. And now that we're done, let's take a look at what we just created. Wow, it came out perfect. This demo shows you how easy it is to create powerful, mind-blowing full-motion videos with Explaindio. Okay, last but not least, let me show you my favorite demo of them all. Okay, the final mini demo is for an explainer video. Let's start by creating a slide, adding an animation, then another one, and then one more. You'll notice in this style of video, it creates and builds a timeline. As you click on each, you'll see a preview appear on each one accordingly. Now, let's edit each simply by clicking on the slide and editing the text first. You can change the words, the text color, the font family, the size. You can customize everything. Then we can adjust the image simply by editing the image. We'll add a logo in there, adjust the size, then remove the outline, and preview time. Boom! That's it! Right in front of you, you can see how easy it is to create a powerful, highly engaging explainer video. Just like you saw me build it in front of your eyes in the last 60 seconds, anyone can do it, simply by selecting and filling in the blanks. Simple, easy to use, and no tech skills required. As you just saw, Explaindio has eliminated the guesswork, the cost, and taking the creation of video to the next level. That's why over 35,000 plus businesses and people use and trust Explaindio as their choice of video creation. Listen, regardless if you just want a simple video, a highly interactive doodle video, an animated 2D or 3D video for your marketing, an explainer video to educate, engage, and get sales, or create custom training videos, Explaindio can do it for you. Today, I'm excited to invite you to get instant access to Explaindio. We're going to give you instant access to the software you just saw in the demo. Plus, we're going to load it up with tons of extras. On top of the Explaindio video creator and editor you just watched in the demo, we're going to give you a full suite of creative assets with the software. You'll get 200 pre-done animated scenes that are fully customizable with your content, like texts, images, videos, colors, and more. 500 doodle sketch images in both black and white and color. 100 full HD background videos to help make your videos richer. Access to over 300 plus fonts. We'll give you 6 animated characters that come with animations that you can use in your videos. Plus, step-by-step tutorials so you'll never get lost. And last but not least, we'll give you access to our closed-door community of thousands of video creators just like yourself to help you get feedback and get access to like-minded Explaindio users. Now, the only question left is, how much is all this going to cost me? Well, we've kept it super simple and easy. We're going to give you instant access to Explaindio, plus access to the Explaindio Creative Access Suite to give you the kickstart you need for your video creation. All for a simple and small investment. You can download your copy of Explaindio today by clicking the big Get Explaindio button below. Oh, and of course, you're fully protected by our no questions asked 14-day promise. We're so extremely confident you'll love Explaindio that we'll let you take it for a full 14-day test drive. And if you're not fully satisfied for whatever reason, just contact us and we'll be happy to give you every penny back. But we already know you're going to absolutely love Explaindio. So go ahead, the button is right below this video. Grab your copy today. We really look forward to seeing your videos that you can create, helping you capture, engage, and get more leads and make more sales. And lucky for you, Explaindio is going to give you the unfair advantage over your competition. So grab your copy of Explaindio today. We'll see you on the other side.